Welcome to the next part of my Bohemian Rhapsody tutorial, and we go on with a really exciting part here, especially with the chords. Well, to this point, first of all, only the chords. Glad to see you again. And very important, before we start, check the links in the description. I have some great links for you today here. Yeah, check it out. I'm looking forward if you are there. I'm pretty sure that you will like this stuff. Because if you made it to this part, I'm pretty sure that this is for you. Okay, well, so let's go on. So in the last video I already showed you this chord here. This transition here, the E flat major chord and the D in the left hand. And maybe we had the B flat major chord in the right hand. Yeah, to the C minor chord. And now we go on with the F minor chord here. So this is C, F, A flat, but we played with pointer and a ring finger and pinky, so with that we have the thumb downstairs, and the left hand has F and the octave. If you can play it like this, that's an amazing way to go on, because in the left hand again we have this downstairs figure, yeah, from the F minor chord, and then G, E flat. That's the first practice part here. Yeah, the right hand has this pattern here with the thumb and the other fingers. Okay, so what does it mean exactly? Of course we can, there are many options to play this. So here's CFF, for example, in this part. And to bring more volume in it, I can roll these notes. And in the right hand, I love to play the E flat instead of the F. So that's then F minor 7 chord. And then I play all these chords at the same time, all the notes at the same time. But these are all just options and variations we can choose. Ja, also. Then we go on here. The next chord is a B flat major chord with a D in the left hand. We had it as a transition chord before. Now the left hand goes to the B flat. Right hand stays. That's the next part. So again, here's just the chord and only the left hand moves. So F, E, E flat, B flat, D, and this is the rhythm. Dum, dum, long, short, long, short, long. Yeah, to this point, and in best case, after practicing both single practice parts, you bring both together, you all together. To this point. Very important that you are able to play it before you go on. Okay, but then we go on with the chords from the beginning again. Again, B flat major chord, and with D in the left hand, again on C minor, Now here's the part. E flat major. Carry B flat. Carry C minor. Again. Do, do, do. Carry on. Carry on. And then a very beautiful chord. Nothing really matters. And nothing really. That's an A flat minor chord. A flat, B, and E flat. And here we have the E flat and A flat. And nothing really matters. And then E flat major. E flat, E flat, G, B flat, E flat. And nothing really matters. Nothing really matters. Yeah? Okay, well, I love today's mood in all these melodies, so much of today's part. Well, but let me share again what we did today. So we had this figure from last video. And then we have the new key, E flat major chord. Over B flat with D in the left hand, we go to the C minor chord. And then F minor chord. Left hand does these half tone steps downstairs. And here the left hand goes to the B flat. E flat major chord. Same as the beginning. Also same as the beginning, B flat with D in the left hand, C minor, yeah. But now, the very new chord, there's nothing logical, but that's the reason why it's so beautiful. The A flat minor chord. And at the very end, E flat minor, yeah, to get the relaxed atmosphere back after the tension. Okay. Then we have another melody and a small interlude, but this is something we will do in the next video. Okay, but I have one more detail. These two notes here, D and C, it's the same as in the intro, but there we had A and G. And now we get even higher, and I really have to stretch my body to reach these notes. One, two, D and C. And then, very important to prepare to be ready for the next chord here, for the C minor chord. Okay, so, well, that's today's part. That's the ending of the verse. So, at least the temporarily ending. So then we have this interlude, then we have the second verse, and in the next video we talk about this interlude. And I'm looking forward to see you there again. And if you haven't yet, check the links in the description box. I highly recommend it, that you will like this, at least when you're here. And yeah, then see you in the next video.